If you want to add Google Maps or Bing Maps background maps to QGIS, here's how you can do it very quickly. I have a layer on my screen of golf courses in Great Britain, and I'd just like to add some background mapping to give me an idea of exactly where these places are. So I'll go to the plugins menu and then manage and install plugins. What you'll see here is you'll see any plugins you have installed, but if I click on all, I can then search for plugins. The one we want to install here is called QuickMapServices, all one word, but if I start typing in quick, so I type in quick map, there we go, and we see one called QuickMapServices. So I'll just click install plugin, and it's usually super quick. And there we go. So I'll close this, and then you'll think, well, where is this plugin? How do I access these maps? You go to the web menu and then QuickMapServices. Now I have all the different map layers activated, but often when you do this yourself, you won't see Google, Bing, and so on. If that happens to you, go to Settings and go to the More Services tab. And then you click on the button that says Get Contributed Pack. So any ones that are missing, if you do this, it will add them all. So I've already got this, so I can just click cancel that. And then via the web menu, I'm going to go to QuickMapServices. I'm going to add in the Bing satellite in a second, but you can see there's Google, all the different ones, NASA, CartoDB, and a number of others. So if I go to Bing satellite, it's going to add it in. In this case, we can see it in the layers panel on the left. And if I zoom in to this golf course, we can now see exactly what we wanted, the background mapping. There's one further thing to mention here though. The layer I had in originally, before I added the background mapping, was a layer in Great Britain. So it was using a British coordinate reference system. And I know that because down in the bottom right, the EPSG code is 27700, and that is a coordinate reference system for the British National Grid, which covers Great Britain. If you want your background mapping, Google Maps, Bing Maps, and so on to be displayed perfectly, crisply, without any kind of pixelation, what you'll need to do is just click on that EPSG button, and then you want to use this WGS84 pseudo Mercator coordinate reference system. It's in this list here because I've recently used it, but if I remove it from here, I can just type in the filter box 3857, and then it will appear down here and I can select it. And you should notice if I click apply, it will sharpen up the image. So these global base maps are supposed to be in this coordinate reference system. That's their native coordinate reference system, and that's how they'll look sharp. So if I click apply, there we go. You might not notice that on this video, but that's what we want to do. It won't change the position of anything. It'll just crisp the map up a little bit. So that's how you can get base mapping in. Remember, the plugin is in plugins, manage and install plugins. And now we see it there. If I go to my installed list, it's one of the several installed plugins I have. And that's a plugin by NextGIS. And it is one of the most, if not the most widely used QGIS plugin. As you can see there, there's over 7 million downloads. So hopefully you find that useful in your own work.